To buy product on Kijiji. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So to Kijiji website on your PC using www.kijiji.com. Then once you're sure that you've logged in, the home page of Kijiji will be displayed to you. Here you have the Kijiji logo at the top left corner of your screen, and after that is a search box. Then you have the notification icon, you have the profile icon, you have the post ad icon. So you also have things that you can buy, and you have the option buy and sell. You have the option car and vehicles, real estate. You can buy and sell cars and vehicles. You can buy and sell real estate on Kijiji. You can also search for services, pets, community, vacation rentals, and so on in Kijiji. So since you want to learn how to buy products in Kijiji, you can click on the buy and sell option. So I've clicked on the buy and sell option, which is at the top left corner of my screen. Here you'd see that a drop down has been displayed on my screen to give me a list of things I can buy or sell in Kijiji. So you can simply click on any of this option. Just click on phone. You look at the option closely to choose the one that suits you. So once you've clicked on it, here we have cell phone, we have phone accessories, we have phone services, we have home phones, and so on. And also you can just scroll down the home page. You see several products with their prices attached to them on the home page. So if you want to buy any of this good of this product, you look at the price and ensure that this price is affordable to you. And once you've made your decision or your choice, you click on this product. Once you clicked on the much details will be brought to your screen about the choice that you've made, the choice of product that you've made. So you can scroll down the screen, and here you'd see. So just look around the screen till you see the option buy. Once you see the option buy, you click on it, and you make payment and you buy the product. So this is simply how to buy a product on Kijiji. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.